Guys, welcome to another video. You've got Mr. Everything English. Today guys, as always, I am feeling super generous. So I am giving you guys another free story, another free plot that you can tweak, you can change, and you can use in your GCSE exam. Everything education. Tuition for maths, English and science. I've lost count as to how many I've given you, but this is just another one. Now, in this story, guys, paragraph number 1, you are an angel. So you are writing in the first person in the voice of this angel, and you're a nice, lovely angel. And all your life, all your existence, you've been obeying God. And recently, you were given a promotion, and you have been promoted to the angel of death. And this is where we're going to use juxtaposition in the first paragraph, because you're the angel of death. You expect the angel of death to be kind of ferocious, be powerful, but you're a nice, innocent little angel, and you're getting ready for your first day at work. So I don't know, maybe your angel brushing his teeth, combing his hair, whatever he's doing, but in that first paragraph, you are doing that. Paragraph number 2, you visit God, because God is the only person or the only creation that can give you your instructions. And God says to you that your first job is to go to earth and take the soul of so-and-so. Give the person a name. That is paragraph 2 done. And paragraph 3, guys, you describe the journey from heaven from heaven to earth. So heaven's perfect, heaven's beautiful. But as you get closer and closer and closer to earth, it gets darker, it gets gloomy, it gets depressing, everything changes. The way I envision it, guys, is like, imagine the angel in an elevator, and the elevator is going lower and lower and lower and lower and lower, and as it's declining, it's getting darker and darker and darker and darker. And when it opens up, you step out and you're on planet Earth. Paragraph 4, guys, you find your victim, the person whose soul you're supposed to take, and you've been given like a little box. And once you take the soul, you decide how you take it. Do you pull it out of the air? I don't know, what do you do? Once you take the soul, you put it in the box, you close the box, you put the box into your backpack, and off you go back to heaven. Job's done, everything is done. When you arrive home, when you arrive to heaven, there's a big machine where you're supposed to put the soul of the human being. And when you put the soul of the human being into the machine, it starts saying error, error, error. Everyone's panicking. Everyone comes and watches because they can't believe this, because this has never happened before. And then they get scared and they all back off because they realize what's happened. But that was your first job, so you're confused. You think maybe the machine's messed up. But then you realize that this soul was of the wrong person. You killed the wrong person. So you are punished, because unfortunately, the punishment for taking the wrong life is your life. It's life for life. So you are banished to planet Earth forever and ever. There is a plot, guys, that you can use for your question 5. Make changes, tweak it. Look at different past paper questions and see how you can make it fit. If the question says, write about an animal, maybe you don't kill a human being, you take the soul of an animal. Do you see how you make small tweaks? If the question says, write a story about an object, maybe the object could be like the thing you use to take the soul and keep the soul inside. Or about the object malfunctioning. But guys, all you gotta do is take this plot, look at different past papers, and see, what do I do to tweak this question, this answer, to fit the question? And that's it. And if you hate it, then don't use it. There's many other plots, or make one of your own. But whatever you do, guys, whatever you do, take the plot, but don't forget you need the vocabulary, the language devices, and the punctuation that I've got here in the bottom. So paragraph 1, use that. Paragraph 2, that. 3, that. 4, and 5. And then when you merge the 2 together, you will write a very good answer for question number 5. Alright guys, it's been Mr. Everything English. Peace.